Just want to make a quick update for the channel. Currently taking the Challenger through a blizzard right now. 11 degrees on the clock. Fahrenheit for all my Canadian friends that watch my show. One thing that I do not like about this vehicle is that it just sucks in the snow. But if you have good tires and some sand in the back, you should be good to go. Now, I grew my whole life I grew up driving pickups and all that, so this isn't that bad of a car ride. It's actually one of the best. And if you drive slow, just barely step on it, you'll be good to go. See, it's so bad right now, you can't even see the road. There's like no road. And I'm just getting off work right now, so bear with me. Yeah, this is my city that I live in, work and all that stuff. Good old Bismarck, North Dakota. But yeah, other than that, this car is one of the best vehicles I ever bought in my life. It's smooth, it's not too expensive to fill up, it looks nice. And what is this fucker doing? Come on. Sometimes you just gotta keep going or you'll get stuck. Yeah, very smooth car. This V6 Challenger, I know people say, oh, it's a muscle car. It's not a muscle car. This car is built for the highway and just cruising. Nothing more, nothing less. It's not a proper muscle car. I would barely say that the 5.7 is not even a muscle car. I think you get to the 392s to be a muscle car. Because that's what they're basically just used for. Straight speed and horsepower. Yeah. Yeah, this blizzard just took us by surprise. One thing I don't like about this city, they don't even have snowplows up right now. Can you believe that? How do they expect people to go home? And you can't, because the roads are just packed full of ice. It's bullcrap. You know, I pay taxes like everyone else, and they expect the government to do shit like clean our roads, and they don't. Very bad luck. But it's going through this blizzard really well. I'm actually really surprised. Before this, I had a 1994 K1500, and that was pretty good. But I was driving through Montana. The whole transmission just exploded, so I had to sell that beautiful car, or pickup I should say. I had to sell it. This car just has to plow through it. Check right here. And this is probably the biggest purchase I've ever done in my life. I didn't grow up with money or anything, so this is all I could afford. I couldn't even afford a newer V6 Challenger. I had to get 2014. Which is not bad. It's still a great car, but I really wanted 5.7 at least. But what can you do? You just gotta be happy with what you get. Can't be upset. It's what you have goals for. You have goals, you're able to work towards it instead of, oh, I'm gonna get it. And have no repercussions. Well, here's the end of the road. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.